Hello and welcome back to TKSBAR. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a strawberry thyme. So, as we all know, April showers brings May flowers, and you better believe that that is the theme of this month's challenge. So the rules are you have to have one floral component, or ingredient, you have to have one flower garnish, you have to tag Flower Power 2021, and it has to be in before June 1st. So if you want to compete, make sure you tag Flower Power 2021. And if you're trying to find all the entries, which you definitely should go look up because there's going to be so many good ones, check out the hashtag Flower Power 2021. And this was put on by Vino from 60 Second Cocktail and Rob from Romso Bar. I'll leave them linked in the corner. You should definitely go check them out. So my little cocktail is a strawberry thyme. It is my own little creation and it is so good. It's the perfect cocktail for like spring, summer. It's like fruity, a little bit floral, a little bit sweet, you know, my favorite stuff. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So we're gonna start off in the bottom of our shaker because we have to muddle some ingredients and then we're gonna strain those out and put them in the glass. We're gonna start off with 1 ounce of our vodka, but we're not using regular vodka. We're gonna do 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. So as you can see, I've upgraded my elderflower bottle and I finally have a big one, but we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of our elderflower. Then we're doing 1/2 ounce of our Chambord, and then 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then at last, we're gonna throw in some strawberry. I have 2 here, but I've made this before with only 1 and it works totally good. I just want it extra fruity today. And then we've got some little sprigs of thyme. I've got 4 because they're really small, but I would say like if you put in like 1 sprig of thyme, like if you had a big one. So then we're just gonna muddle these ingredients in. Then you're gonna wanna go ahead and fill your glass and your shaker with ice. Give this a quick shake. So then we're gonna double strain this in. I don't want any of the little bits of strawberry in because I find that they're really annoying when they get in your straw. Last thing we have to do is just top this up with some soda. We are going to garnish this with a straw. And I know the color coordination isn't that great, but I don't have many flowers right now. So I'm gonna put a little purple flower on the side there. And there we've got our finished cocktail. Okay, so last thing we have to do is just try this. I'm gonna put this right here. Pretty. And give this a quick stir. That's beautiful. You get a lot of that Chambord coming through. You get a little bit of that elderflower. It's nice, it's refreshing. Let me try again. Yeah, I would say weird enough because there's only a 1/2 ounce. The most dominant flavor would actually be the Chambord. Yeah, so yeah, it's not as sweet as most of the other TKSBAR cocktails, like my own creation cocktails that I've made. I'd actually say it's a bit more on the drier side, but still sweet. Don't get me wrong, it's not dry. It's still sweet. But yeah, really good cocktail. Nice and refreshing in time for spring. I'm excited for spring and summer to come. I'm excited for some nice weather. This is perfect for patio weather if you're looking for a new cocktail to try. So yeah, definitely give this a try if you want to. I love it. But yeah, and definitely check out the hashtag Flower Power 2021 for some other cool cocktails. And yeah, if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. And you can hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I post. Other than that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!